Well, hunting season's officially over, and now I've got nothing to do.
I'm becoming a bird guy. I hate this already.
They say yoga brings inner peace. Inner peace is bullshit.
I tried cleaning. Turns out I'm allergic to it. I call this stick detecting. So far, I've found, sticks.
Welcome to Bigfoot's Kitchen, where today's special is... whatever the hell this is.
I've made a new friend. It's definitely not Cora. This little guy's shy. First contestant.
Also me.
I have reached new levels of boredom. I am one with the
Maybe being bored isn't so bad. Means I survived another season. Now hit like and subscribe before I start knitting sweaters out here.